Are you curious if Chrome is finally bringing a full-page reading mode, like the one you might have seen in Microsoft Edge's immersive reader? Well, by the end of today's video, you'll know exactly what Google is working on and how close we might be to seeing this feature rolled out for everyone. If you love distraction-free reading or you just like keeping up with browser updates, stick around. Let's dive in. So, first things first. Yes, Google is actively experimenting with a full-page reading mode in Chrome, inspired by the popularity of Edge's immersive reader. But here's the catch. It's not something you'll see in the regular Chrome browser just yet. It's being tested out in the experimental Canary version. Think of Canary as Chrome's test kitchen, where brand new ingredients and recipes are tried out long before the public ever gets a taste. Currently, if you use Chrome and want a more focused reading experience, there's a feature called Reading Mode tucked away in the side panel. You can access it by clicking the three-dot menu at the top right of Chrome, heading to More Tools, and choosing Reading Mode. What this does is pretty nifty. It takes the web page you're on and strips away all the ads, banners, and the usual online clutter, serving you just the core text in a clean, reader-friendly layout. This is perfect for articles, blog posts, or any text-heavy website, and it really helps if you're easily distracted by pop-ups or moving elements. But as handy as the side panel version is, some users, maybe you're one of them, want more space to breathe. Instead of just a narrow strip off to the side, why not have the whole page devoted to just what you're reading? That's where the full-page reading mode comes in. Google has heard these requests, and right now in Canary, they're testing out a version that takes up the entire browser tab. No clutter anywhere, and no need to scroll left or right to see the whole thing. This makes the reading experience almost like flipping through the pages of an ebook or reading a PDF, completely focused. So, what's this full-page mode actually like? While it's still under wraps for most people, early testers report it will let you customize the look and feel even more. You'll likely be able to tweak the font style, bump up the text size if your eyes are tired, change colors for easier readability, and adjust spacing for comfort. Imagine opening a long, complicated article and instantly seeing just the words you want on a background that's easy on the eyes. This feature is designed for anyone who spends a lot of time reading online, students, professionals, or even just news junkies. Now, a big question. When can you use it? Right now, the full-page reading mode is only available in Chrome Canary, and it's still experimental. That means Google's refining it, ironing out any bugs, and seeing if it actually meets people's needs. There's no official release date, and sometimes these experimental features get shelved or delayed if they don't perform as expected. So you might not see it in your regular Chrome browser for a little while, but if you're keen to try it and you don't mind using a browser designed for testing, Canary is free to download. Just keep in mind it's less stable than the final versions. So to recap, yes, Chrome is testing a full-page reading mode, and if all goes well, we could be enjoying clutter-free, customizable reading across the entire tab, just like Edge's immersive reader. If you found this update helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions about Chrome features or what you'd like to see next, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical browser tips and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and happy reading. Eat.